Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup look. Now I don't wear makeup every day because I rather get those extra 30 minutes of sleep, but when I do decide to do my makeup, this is always my go-to look during the week. Let's get pretty. So I always do my eyebrows first and then my eyes. My brows are already done. I posted a video a couple days ago, so you can always check that out. So I'm going for a neutral look, so I'm gonna prime my eyelids using this LA Pro concealer. Now my go-to look is very simple because nobody has time to beat their face to the gods on a Monday morning. Now you want to make sure you buff it out, that way your eyeshadow goes on smoothly and doesn't look patchy. Now I'm gonna be using this Too Faced highlighter. And I'm going to be applying this on my brow bone using my e.l.f. smudge brush. Looks like this. Now I'm going to take the lightest shade and I'm going to be using this as my transition shade. And you want to apply it all over your eyelid. And you want to make sure you don't put too much pressure on the brush, because then it will just be harder to blend. So always keep that in mind. And you want to hold your brush like this, not putting too much pressure on it, because if you hold it too close to the bristles, it's just gonna go on really harsh. And I always look down on my mirror like this, that way it's easier to access this area. Those first few steps are major, or you're just gonna end up with blotchy eyeshadow. And I'm building lightest to darkest, and I'm ready to darken this up, so I'm going to take a darker shade and a smaller brush. You see how it's not as fluffy? That's because I'm only going to focus on the outer corner of my eye, so you want your brush to be more precise. For my eyelid, I'm going to go with a shimmery pressed powder. You can always go in with the matte if that's what you prefer. So now I'm just going to apply it on my lid. Remember to always look down at your mirror like this. That way it goes on there smoothly. Eyelashes, cannot forget the eyelashes. I hate to see a chick with poppin' ass makeup and no eyelashes. Like, why? It just ruins everything. But anyways, I like to use this hair glue. I've tried so many different eyelash adhesives and none of them work for me. I mean, I've heard so many negative things about that hair glue, but I mean, that's just what works for me. And those other eyelash adhesives, like, you have to wait like 3 or 4 minutes for the glue to dry off, and this one, literally as soon as you apply it on your eyelash band, you can literally put it on. I mean, like, it doesn't even take me 3 minutes to put them on, so why would I want to wait 3 minutes for the glue to dry off, you know? So after I apply my eyelashes, I always like to go over it with mascara. And I'm gonna go with the nude lip, and I'm gonna be applying this Dirty Peach by Kylie Jenner. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. All of the products that I use will be listed below. Until next time.